Hi there, and welcome to another video for Coolsmartphone.com. Today I'm going to be having a look at the Remix Mini, and I have got a setup just on my monitor and with my wireless keyboard here. So what we'll do is we'll just dive straight into it now and have a wee look. Okay. So here we are in a typical work environment. You can see here that I have a YouTube video, I've got the WordPress app open, and then behind the scenes I've also got the Chrome browser. Now, if I wanted to do some work on the Remix article, for example, I just tap in there and start typing away with no problem at all, apart from the fact that I can't type. Now, say for example I was writing an article and I needed to get some information from a YouTube video. So because of Remix Mini OS and the way that it works, I can actually have multitasking happening. So I can see there that I've got the Remix Mini demo video and also my Remix Mini article sitting side by side. This is a really useful feature. And you can see here that we're not seeing any dropping of frame rates. This is running over a Wi-Fi network, and it's running with reasonable speeds without any major problem. Okay, so we'll just pause that for now. And I'm also going to show you how you can actually task switch. So using the same Alt-Tab functionality that you would use on any computer, you can bring up your task manager. And you can see there that's just now me switched into a Google Docs document. So we'll make that full screen. And this is what it looks like on full screen. Very, very usable. And if we Alt-Tab again, we'll go back into our YouTube video. Back into Docs. Let's open up Chrome browser. So you can see here I've got a full Chrome browser, as you would expect with any sort of Chrome browser on any other computer system. As this isn't running Chrome OS or a desktop OS, it does not have the ability for adding extensions, which is one downside. But everything works as it should do. So two-finger scrolling on the trackpad to scroll through the screen, all that sort of stuff. And I can open up, if I go into YouTube in here, it will allow me to open up a YouTube stream in here without any major issue. Again, it is going to default to the mobile site. Now this is one thing that if you are using Remix Mini as a desktop replacement, is something that you will have to become accustomed to and learn to live with. If we now open the Coolsmartphone videos, now I am starting to see the occasional little bit of lag here. Now I've not decided what the cause of this is yet, but it could very well be that my Wi-Fi is causing this, or we do have quite a few tabs open at the moment, so it could be that. So if we just go in and we'll play back this video, and we're going to jump into full screen here. Now bear in mind we are running a all-winner CPU here, the same sort of CPU that was in the Nexus 7 2013. So it is a older CPU, so that could have something to do with why we're experiencing a little bit of lag here. We'll just load this video up to see how it plays. As you can see, very little lag there, so there's no actual lag or any issues. Let's minimize that, and you can see here that it easily minimizes. So we'll pause that and we'll go back into the Word article that I was doing. Now, as you would expect for any Google Drive document, you've got all the capability of editing that you get in any mobile OS. Okay, so if I were to delete that, and then I can reinsert it using the standard keyboard combinations without any issue. So this is just a quick rundown of the software utility of the Remix OS. Let's just open up the settings, and you can see in here that you do have a slightly different settings menu than you would expect normally. If we go to About Box, and unfortunately it's not going to give me an actual memory monitoring tool. The other thing I have found myself using this for quite a lot is Kodi. Now I'm going to try and open Kodi, but bear in mind I've got all these other apps open as well. Now what Kodi is, if for those of you unfamiliar with it, is Kodi is the XBMC media streaming service. Okay, so it's opened up straight into my movies playlists, sorry, my movies folder, and it's finding my network, and we'll just go in here, find a video, and this is now going to open up a stream from my home media server. And again, I can Alt-Tab out that and I can go back to work if I need to. So you can see that we do have a really powerful OS here. Apart from the occasional little slowdown, which is purely due to my Wi-Fi connection from what I've been able to establish, there's no real major problems on this. Now I am outputting this at a 1080p resolution right now. It can be output at a 2K resolution if you have a 2K monitor. I believe it will actually go all the way up to 4K. So for the low cost of $60 or £45 in the UK, you too could get a Remix Mini, and you could have this as a light use productivity machine, but also as a very capable and competent media streaming device. Thank you very much for watching this video from Coolsmartphone.com. If you are wanting some more information about the Remix Mini, please do check up the full review, and also please subscribe for other videos like this, including our end of year roundup, which is coming very soon. And any questions or comments, please pop them in the comments section. And also, while you're down there, if you can give us a like or a dislike if you didn't like the video, or if you liked it. Thanks very much and have a good Christmas. Bye.